Hey, how are you? This is Mustafizur Rahman. Welcome to my new video. So today I'm talking about how to donate a car in California. If you are looking to donate a car in California, here are the steps you can below. Choose a charity first. Decide on a non-profit organization that accept car donation. Some example of organization in California that accept car donate include Goodwill, the American Cancer Society, and the National Kidney Foundation. Okay, number 2, check the eligibility requirement. Each charity will have its own requirement for the type and condition of vehicle they accept. Check with the organization to ensure your car meets their criteria. Number 3, complete the paperwork. We'll need to transfer the title of the car to the charity. Fill out the necessary paperwork, including the title and registration, and sign it over to the organization. Schedule pickup. Number 4, arrange the time for the charity to pick up the vehicle. Must need it. Some organizations offer free towing. This is very good for. So ask about that if it's not mentioned. Number 5, receive a tax receipt. Once the car has been picked up, the charity will provide you with a receipt for your tax record. You can use this receipt to claim a tax deduction on your income taxes. It's important to note that you should research the organization you plan to donate to and ensure that they are reputable and use the donation appropriately. Donating a car in California can simple and straightforward process. Here are the general steps you can follow. Number 1, choose a charity. First, choose a charity. This is very important. The first step is to choose a reputable charity that accepts car donations. You can do research online or ask for recommendation from friends and family. Number 2, check the charity's eligibility. Once you have chosen a charity, you should check if they are eligible to receive car donation in California. In California, you can verify this by checking their tax exempt status with the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. This is most important things. Number 3, prepare your car. Before donating your car, make sure to remove all personal belongings and ensure that it is in good working condition. It is most important. Okay, you are donating a car charity, so you must that in good working condition your car. If it is not in working condition, let the charity know beforehand. Number 4, transfer the title. You will need to sign over the title of the car to the charity. Make sure to fill out the required sections and have it notarized. Number 5, complete the donation. With a few days of the donation, you will be given a receipt for a tax purpose. Tax purpose. Number 6, this is very important. Claim the tax dedication. Number 6, claim the tax dedication. You can claim a tax dedication for your car donation on your federal income tax return. Be sure to keep the receipt provided by the charity as proof of your donation. Claim the tax deduction. It is important to note the process may vary slightly depending on the specific charity you chose to donate to. You may also want to consult with a tax professional to ensure that you receive the maximum tax benefit from your donation. This is the important part. Sorry for that. Donating a car in California in straightforward process that can benefit both you and the organization you chose to donate to. Here are the steps of the below. Follow. Number 1, choose a charity. Number 1, charity. Research charities in California that accept car donation. Make sure that the charity is registered 501c3 organization, which means that it is recognized as a tax exempt non-profit by the IRS. Verify eligibility. Contact the charity and confirm that they accept car donation. Some charities have specific requirement for the age and condition of the car. Prepare the car. Make sure that the car is good condition and has all necessary paperwork. Remove all personal belongings from the car, including registration and insurance documents. Complete the transfer. Donate the car. Get a tax receipt. After the charity sells the car, they will send you a tax receipt indication the sale price You can use this receipt to claim a tax deduction on your federal income tax return. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Ta-da!